What's up, guys? Got my camera guy right there. Slash helper, you know. She's almost there, guys. I'm just sanding her down. About to put this blue paint back on this side. You know, it's the navy blue, y'all, so it ain't that trash blue that people buy, you know. Pretty good quality. So I'm about to finish sanding this side. Then I'm gonna prime it. I'm gonna do piece by piece, so it's gonna look good, guys. Then I gotta go back and sand spots that I missed and sand parts that I didn't get a chance to sand. So, and it was raining earlier, so yeah, my nighttime still going, guys. So here we go.